I've been searching for a premium luggage for ages. This, my friends, is the M5 Pro from Horizn Studios. This is the professional variant of the M5, which also had the M5 Essential and the M5 Smart, which is now discontinued. Spoilers, that's actually the one I wanted, but I was too late to place the order. Nevertheless, this model was released in January earlier of this year, and pre-orders were delivered in the first week of March in the UK. So let's unbox it and see if it lives up to the hype. Just before we get started today, I want to say a massive thank you to Sasha from Horizn Studios for sending out a discounted unit for me to unbox and eventually review. So without further ado, this is the M5 Pro. It retails for £470 here in the UK and it comes in 4 different colours. The one I have here is the all black colour, which is my favourite, but it is available in dark olive, night blue and sand grey, which I think is pretty cool. One thing I like about Horizn Studios is their presentation. It comes in this nice fabric sleeve which you can use to store away the luggage when not in use. As you can see, you've got quite a few leaflets and guides attached to the suitcase in case you're unaware of its features, and it just makes the experience that much more enjoyable. The suitcase comes with its own built-in TSA approved lock, which I think makes it super convenient and secure when travelling. I feel like I'll definitely be using this a lot. It's split in 2 sections like most suitcases by a zipped mesh divider to keep your clothes organised. The opposite side also has a laundry compression pad, which I'm pretty sure is to keep dirty clothes separate. I was actually surprised to find what I think is a wash bag included in one of the side pockets too. Included in the transparent pouch, you have an envelope with, I'm guessing, more leaflets and warranty information. It looks like it's got a leaflet on how to claim your lifetime warranty, which I think is pretty cool, and a booklet on all the different colours and models of suitcases that they offer on their website. And 2, you've got an apple pie. Nah, I'm joking. This is a premium leather luggage tag that's colour matched to your suitcase. The suitcase itself feels really premium. I've got a few trips planned later this year, so it'll be exciting to put this to good everyday use. The zippers feel really durable, and I'm not sure, but I think it also stops water from entering, handy on them rainy days. It's also got 2 pouches on the front, the smaller one being for anything the size of an iPad or a book. The larger compartment allows you to carry a laptop and some books, maybe travel documents, reducing the need for a backpack if you prefer to travel light. The padded small zipped pockets make it possible to carry smaller items easily without having to open your suitcase. Me being me, I can imagine it being easy to carry power banks and chargers. It's got these nice aesthetic handles, but time and travel will only tell how durable they are. I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of the telescopic handle. It does feel quite flimsy when fully extended. I'd prefer it to be much more rigid and sturdier. I think a full suitcase might just do that. One of the best design features is the ultra silent spinner wheels, which make this glide like a warm knife through butter. On the Pro series, they're also interchangeable, which is quite interesting. So that's my unboxing and first impressions on the Horizn Studios M5 Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll definitely be doing a 6 months or a year in review to see how well it performs. As I mentioned before, I do have a few trips planned later this year, so I'm excited to travel with what could be the ultimate travel companion. So leave a like if you like this video, a comment on if you'd get one, and share to all your traveler friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Arushan, and I'll see you guys in the next one.